take this opportunity at the very outset to welcome my friend and the former MLA of Mawsynram constituency, Shri H M Shangpliang, and all his supporters to the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to National People's Party. But I think what is important to note is that in politics, and in service to our state and service to our people, we need to continuously move forward. You cannot be comfortable thinking that where you are fine. Never let the comfort get to your head and realize that you think you are in charge and you can do anything you want. I think it's important to realize that there has to be kind of a hunger inside the organization to want to grow, to want to move forward. We are here today, let's go 10 steps forward tomorrow and continuously make efforts. And today's event is a testimony to that kind of a mindset that we share in the party, where we are not going to just sit down and say that, well, this is it. We would like the party to grow from strength to strength. And today I'm very happy to have Hima, again a person, not just because he's a person I know very well, a friend of mine, but because of the qualities that he has. We have seen him in the assembly sessions. We have seen him how he is somebody who can really express and articulate and bring out the issues and concerns of the people, even though it may mean that he's, bringing it out in an aggressive manner. But the point is, he's not doing it for any personal reasons, but he's doing it, or he was doing it at a point in time to bring out the issues of the people. And I really appreciate that. A person who used to do his homework and be able to express, I think it's a great asset for the party. And I'm sure that we will be able to gain a lot from the joining of Hima as a leader, and also his entire supporters coming in and joining us. Will be a great boost to the party. And once again, I welcome him and welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank and to really appreciate Alvin Zohme, who's our MDC and our candidate and the president of the bloc. I see his father also and his family members also here. Thank you so much for being here. It's very meaningful. It really shows the mindset of an individual, the quality of a leader, realizing that the larger goal and larger objective is what matters to all of us. We are here for a purpose. And yes, while we have our individual goals, ultimately it is what matters for the state and what is important for the organization and what is important for our people that is above all other personal gains and importance that we may have. And hence, I really appreciate and thank Alvin for his leadership quality, for his leadership, and for being magnanimous and allowing this entire process to take place and working closely with Hima to strengthen the party in Mawsynram constituency as well as in the entire state. I also would like to share with you that as a political party, you're all aware that we are all over the Northeast. And we have got great response from the people of the Northeast because people see us as one of the only political parties that speaks on the issues of the Northeast and the people of the Northeast, be it the tribals or any other indigenous community that is there in the Northeast part of India. And no other political party takes up issues the way we do. And hence, keeping those aspects in mind, we are having a great response in many of the Northeast states. And keeping in mind the general elections that are coming up, I can share with you that we have started doing a lot of homework in terms of how we should move forward in these elections. I just wanted to share that we are not keeping quiet. There's a lot of things happening in the background, and you will see a lot of activities and decisions and positions we will take coming the Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Remember, 2012 was the first time when we had this stage out here. That was like 11 years back. I remember the day, 24th of September 2012. And that is the day the stage was set. A similar background was there. Dr. Khalluki was there, and just few of us were there. And when I see that picture of 2012, 24th September, and I still have those pictures with me, and I see this picture today, I feel a sense of satisfaction and a great sense of appreciation and happiness to see that the efforts that have been put in by our founder, leader, K Sangma, and the efforts put in by all of us who are on the stage right now has today led to the party being at this point in history and really being able to make a huge difference in the people's lives in our state. Rarely in our history of Meghalaya do we see continuity of a government in terms of 2 terms, continuous full terms, continuity being there. And therefore, without sounding in any other political sense, I'm just talking from pure policy point of view, and so many senior leaders who are here will understand what I mean, is that the policy continuity is something that is critical for any state to actually develop. And issues come up because policy keeps changing, governments keep changing, and what targets that are set today are changed tomorrow, day after, or a year later by another government, and hence we never see things fructify. And hence we are in a very important stage of our state's history where we are actually seeing continuity of policy making, continuity of the foundations laid in the last 5 years, and being able to take forward that vision in the next 5 years. And I think that is something that we should ensure that we don't miss out. And we ensure that we work with a very, very clear and strong vision of where we would like to see our state in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years and 20 years. And I feel that these 5 years will be very critical, and the National People's Party is at the center of ensuring that we drive and take forward our state in that direction.
It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party. The endeavor of the party to support the farmers of the state under the flagship programs like the Focus and so on, and the party's assurance to continue to engage with the Government of India for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, and for the implementation of the ILP in Meghalaya, for which resolutions have been passed in the Assembly by the MDA government. These issues and concerns taken up by the party for the welfare of the people of the state have persuaded and convinced me to be part of the growth today, and hence I join the NPP today. Today, I commit myself to serve this party with all honesty and sincerity, and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Shri Conrad K Sangma, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Shillong for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the State President, Dr. W.R. Khanuki, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. Didi Lapang. I'm very thankful to you, sir. I was very surprised last night when I got a call from Dr. Didi Lapang. He expressed his happiness that I am joining this party, and that's why he said, I am going to be there to be present and to witness your entry into the party. And thank you so much, sir, for being here with us today and inspiring all of us. Dr. Lapang has been like a father figure to me, and he has been my mentor over the years in my political journey. And I thank you, sir. May God bless you with good health. We need your presence, we need your guidance in the party, sir. My thanks also goes to Pak Aldin and the Mawsynram NPP block for giving us the platform to join and also to accommodate all our members from the previous party. And to inform you, sir, yesterday there were more than 3,000 members who have resigned from the previous party and joined the NPP, sir.